Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to mark attendance for a particular class. So when a teacher wants to do daily attendance, this is the process they need to follow. Go to the attendance module. In the attendance module, we have the second option called attendance entry. This is for entering attendance for individual classes. If you have a small class with 10, 15, 20 children, then this will be a good module to use. Now, bulk attendance entry is mainly meant for attendance entry when there are 40, 50, 60 children in one class. This becomes easier to do bulk attendance entry. So right now, let's see how to do the attendance entry module. Once you click on attendance entry, you have an option called class-wise and student-wise. Use the class-wise option. The date will be by default today's date. Now go to class, select a class that you have rights to. So here I am selecting LKG, and then go to section, select the section. Automatically all the children in the class appear over here, and the attendance is by default pre-filled as present. So all will show as PPP, it means present. So now in case, let's say all the children are present except the first child, and I want to make that particular child absent. So go to edit first and come back here. Now it says P for present, A for absent, HD for half a day, and L for leave. This child is absent, so I want to select absent. And if I want to put a remark, I can do that in case if I want to send an SMS. So for example, I can say put this remark: your child was absent to school today. And if you want to send an SMS, you can click on this send SMS button. And if you don't want to send SMS, you don't have to click this checkbox. And now you can go and click on save. Successfully saved. So automatically now the attendance entry is over. This is how you mark attendance for a particular class for a particular day. Now in case if you want to mark attendance for a previous day, let's say you forgot to mark attendance for a particular day. Let's say for the 2nd of August, we forgotten to mark attendance. Select 2nd of August. Again, go back, select the class, then go back to section, select the section. This list of students will appear. Let us say on this day, everybody were present. So I don't have to do anything. It's already P present, which is green. Now click on edit and then click on save. Attendance entry for 2nd is over. Now if I have missed another day, let's say I want to mark the 3rd, same procedure, select 3rd, select the class and select the section. And let us say this day also all the students were present, so I don't have to do anything. Just click on edit and click on save. So attendance entry is over. Close this and you'll go back to the main dashboard. This is how you make an attendance entry at an individual class level. Now in case if you want to do a bulk attendance entry, then let me show you the process. Go to attendance once again. Select the bulk attendance entry module. Now here the default date will be automatically the current date. Now let's say I want to mark attendance for the LKG section. Click on LKG. Now here the option is, if let's say there are 1 or 2 children who are absent, then you will have to enter the admission number of the child over here. Admission number of the child over here. For if you have 2 children, then you have to separate it by comma. See, for example, it says admission number must be entered with comma as separators. Example, 5771, comma 5572. So if 2 children of this class are absent, then you have to click. So this process is only possible if you remember, if you know the attendance number and admission number of the child. So if you have large classes of 40, 50 children, instead of looking at every child, you simply select 2 or 3 children who are absent, enter their admission number with comma as separators, and then click on save. So automatically bulk attendance entry is done. This is how you do bulk attendance entry. Close this and you will be back into the main dashboard. So this is how you make attendance entry for children in the 2 ways. Thank you.